Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Coil Pack Set of 8. This Ignition Coil Pack Set of 8 is for either the Nissan or Infiniti truck with the 5.6 liter V8 engine. This can include the Nissan Armada, Titan, and Pathfinder, or the Infiniti QX56. Years do range from 2004 to 2007. What your ignition coil packs do is they receive a signal from your vehicle's ECU to send power to the spark plugs, which ignites the fuel in your engine at the right time. All of these coil packs have the primary, secondary, and magnetic cores inside, which provide a very strong and precise spark, which is sent through the high voltage connection to each individual spark plug. Replacing an ignition coil can traditionally solve common cylinder misfires and rough running issues. So, if your Nissan or Infiniti truck has started to misfire, idle erratically, or it's hesitating under acceleration, your original coil packs might be blamed. Additionally, a specific check engine light pointing to a cylinder misfire may also be present if one or more are not working. While these coil packs are not a genuine OEM part, they do have the same OEM quality, fit, and finish as they were designed as a direct OEM replacement, thanks to the high quality construction throughout, including the OEM designed dust cap and OEM specific plug. Installation of these ignition coil packs can vary based on which coil pack location you are installing, as there may be some parts or wires in the way. But traditionally, it is very easy. First, pop open your hood, locate the 4 coil packs on each side of the engine, remove what is traditionally a 10mm bolt, and then carefully unplug the coil pack harness. These do break as they get brittle over time due to the heat under the engine bay, so again, just be very careful. Reinstall in reverse order. If you have any questions about this replacement ignition coil pack set, please reach out to us anytime. We are glad to help.